Hi, hello. If you grow curry leaves, you would have noticed that you find something sticky like this on the leaf surface most of the time. It's sticky and it falls all around the plant and makes a big mess. The reason for this is the scale insects. The scale insects excrete honeydew, and this honeydew sits on the leaves and on the surface of the plant and all around the plant. So today I'll show you how to get rid of the stickiness and also some of the insects in the meantime. So my plant is inside the shower stall or the shower room. You can put it even in a tub, and you have to shower it with the water until all the stickiness goes away. I've done this a couple of times and I've found good result. The stickiness is gone and also some of the insects are gone. So to begin with, we have to cover the base of the plant with a plastic sheet so that the insects that fall off the plant will not get into the soil below there. Then you have to use a shower and give it a good rinse and remove all the insects as well as the sticky honeydew on the plant. So let me show you. So I use the hand shower for this purpose and rinse it off from the plant, and the extra water just goes down to the bottom. I have tilted the bottom of this pot so that it doesn't fall on the pot but it flows down. So here you can see that there is a small plate that is holding the plant in a slanting position. So we and rinse it. It's also important to rinse it from down because the insects are under the leaf most of the time. So if you give it a rinse from under, this is the best way to rinse it from under the plant. The plant gets a good soak and some of the insects fall off, and also you get a good cleaning. So that's it for today. Thank you. Bye.